السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. My beloved Hazur.
اسلام ورحمۃ اللہ. ایان فالکنر.
Yeah.
اچھا.
I am 14 years old. I am from the West Midlands,
Where are you from?
Wolverhampton.
No, I mean your parents.
Oh, they're from here as well.
Huh?
They're from here as well.
You were born here
UK.
in the UK.
Yeah.
So your parents are immigrants to this country?
Sorry?
Your parents are immigrants of this country, or they were also born
Yeah.
here? Where did they come
They were
from?
born here. They're from here.
Where your parents are originally from?
My stepdad's from Germany.
Okay. Then what is your question?
My question is, what happened to the Pharaoh's body after Allah the Almighty drowned him in the sea?
That Pharaoh who was drowned in the sea, his body was saved as promised by Allah Ta'ala, and it is mentioned in the Holy Quran, right? Though he was in coma throughout the period, he lived his life, and but he was not very active. But he did not die immediately. His body was saved, and he was in coma, and after some time he died. And after that, as it was the normal practice of in Egypt, the bodies used to be mummified. His body as a king was also mummified, and now it is said that in Egyptian museum, his body is saved there as a mummy. You can see it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Jazakallah.
اور